In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create direct download link for OneDrive files, 5 minutes. If you've ever shared a OneDrive file and wished people could download it instantly without opening a viewer, this method is for you. We'll turn OneDrive's embed link into a clean, direct download URL you can drop into emails, buttons, or automations. Start by signing into your Microsoft account in a desktop browser. This works best in a standard web browser where you can easily copy and edit text. Once you're in, open the app launcher, the grid or waffle icon near the top of the page, and choose OneDrive. When OneDrive loads, head to My Files so you're looking at your folders and documents. Find the file you want to share and right-click it to open the context menu. From that menu, choose Embed. OneDrive will open a panel that prepares an embeddable code snippet for websites. Click Generate to create the code. Don't worry, we're not going to embed anything on a site. We just need the URL hidden inside that code. Copy the entire embed code, then paste it into a plain text editor, something simple like Notepad or any code or note app that shows raw text. In that snippet, look for the long HTTPS link that contains the word embed. That's the viewer style URL. Replace just the word embed with download, leaving everything else exactly as it is, including any characters after the question mark. This small change tells OneDrive to serve the file directly as a download instead of loading it in a viewer. Now copy your modified URL, paste it into your browser's address bar, and press enter. You should see the file begin downloading immediately. Depending on your browser, it may save automatically or prompt you to choose a location. A few quick tips to make this smooth. Permissions still apply, so only people who already have access to the file can download it with this link. If you need broader access, adjust sharing settings before you distribute the link, and avoid exposing sensitive content. If you don't see the embed option, it may be restricted by your organization or unsupported for that file type. Also, try not to move or rename the file after you generate the link, as changes can invalidate older links. That's it. You've turned a OneDrive file into a direct download link using the embed code and a simple word swap. Save that URL and reuse it wherever you need instant downloads. Thanks for watching and happy sharing.